Good morning to all. My name is Chaudhary Kalpesh Gambhir and today's my topic is abstraction in Java. So first of all, OOPS is an object-oriented programming language. The main pillar of OOPS is inheritance, encapsulation, polymorphism, and abstraction. So today is a abstraction. So what is abstract class in Java? A class which is declared with the abstract keyword is known as abstract class in Java. It can have abstract and non-abstract method. So method with the body. So what is abstraction? So abstraction is a process of hiding a implementation details and showing only functionality to the user. Another way, it show only essential things to the user and hides the internal details. For example, sending a SMS where you type the text and send the message. You don't know the internal processing about the message delivery. The abstraction lets you focus on what the object does instead of how it does it. So why to achieve abstraction? So there are two ways to achieve abstraction in Java. First is abstraction class and second one is a interface. So abstraction, what is abstraction class in Java? So a class which is declared as abstract is known as an abstract class. It can have abstract and non-abstract method. It needs to be extended and its method implemented. It cannot be instantiated. The an abstract class must be declared with an abstract keyword. It can have abstract and non-abstract methods. It cannot be initialized. It can be constructor and static method also. It can have final method which will focus to subclass, not to change the body of method. So suppose the example of abstract class, we create a class to name the abstract class A. So abstract method in Java, method which is declared as abstract and does not have implementation is known as an abstract method. Suppose the example abstract void print status in curly open bracket and close. So this method body has abstract. So the so example of abstract class that has abstract method. So we create a class bike with abstract class and abstract void run. So class Honda extend bike. So void run system.out.println running safely, and in main method we create a object bike. So bike obj is equal to new Honda. So obj dot run is equal dot run. So the output is a running safely. So in this example, bike is abstract class that contain only one abstract method run. Its implementation is provided by the Honda class. So the real scenario of abstract class, suppose in this example, suppose the example in which create a abstract class shape and an abstract void draw. So in a class rectangle extend shape, so void draw system.out.println drawing rectangle. So we in class circle one extend shape, so void draw system.out.println drawing circle. So class test abstraction public static void main, we create a object shape s is equal to new circle one. So s dot draw is equal to s dot draw. So the output is a drawing a circle. So in this example, Shape is a abstract class, and its implementation is provided by the rectangle and circle class. So mostly we don't know about the implementation class, which is hidden to the end user, and an object of the implementation class is provided by the factory method. So a factory method is a method that returns the instance of the class. We will learn about the factory method. So in this example, we create the instance of rectangle class draw method. So rectangle class will be invoke. Suppose the another example of abstract class is we create abstract class bank and abstract int get rate of interest. So the class SBI extend the bank in get rate of interest return 7, and the class PNB extend the bank the get rate of interest return 8. So we create a class test bank in main method, bank b is equal to new SBI. So system.out.println rate of interest is equal to rate of interest b b dot get rate of interest, and another object create b is equal to new PBN. So in system.out.println rate of interest is b dot get rate of interest. So the first output is a get of rate of interest is 7%, and the second one is a rate of interest is a 8%. So next one is a abstract class having constructor, data member, and methods. So an abstraction class have a data member, abstract method body, constructor, and even main method. So the real scenario of abstract class, the abstract class can also be used to provide some implementation of the inheritance. In such case of an user may not be focused to override all the methods to the interface. So example, suppose in inheritance A, void B, void C, and void D. So the abstract class B implement A. So in public void C, system.out.println I am C, and the class M extend the class B. So public void A, in public void A, system.out.println I am A. In public void B, system.out.println I am B. In public void D, system.out.println I am D. So we create another class test5 in main method to create an object A is equal to small a is equal to new M, and a dot A is equal to I am A. Output is I am A dot B is equal to I am B, a dot C is equal to a dot I am C, and a dot D is equal to the output is a I am D. So next the suppose the difference between abstract class and simple class. To abstract class, the implementation is a hide, and another class is a implementation is open. So this is the abstraction. Last one is advantage of abstraction. So it reduces the complexity of viewing the things, and second one is avoid code duplication and increases reusability, and third one is a help to increases security of an application of program, as only important details as provided to the user. So suppose in difference between encapsulation and data extraction. encapsulation is data hiding, while the abstraction is details hiding. It means implementation hiding. And while encapsulation groups together data and methods that acts upon the data abstraction deals with exposing the interface to the user and hiding the details of implementation. So this is the abstraction. Thank you.